Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallows easy at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of cold water, 3 packets of unflavored gelatin, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it and dusting it generously with powdered sugar. This preparation ensures your marshmallows won't stick, making removal much easier later on. Now let's cook the sugar syrup. In a large saucepan, combine the 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves. Place the saucepan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the syrup reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for the perfect marshmallow texture. While your syrup is cooking, bloom the 3 packets of gelatin in the remaining 3/4 cup of cold water in the bowl of a stand mixer. Once the syrup reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the heat. With the mixer running on low speed, slowly and steadily pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin. Increase the speed to high and beat the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes very thick, white, and fluffy, almost like a cloud. Once the marshmallow mixture is thick and glossy, pour it immediately into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly with an oiled spatula. Let it sit uncovered at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to set completely. Once firm, invert the slab onto a surface dusted with powdered sugar, then cut into 1-inch squares. Dust all sides of the cut marshmallows with more powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade treats. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.